In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to book a vacation rental with VRBO. Let's get started. First, launch your VRBO app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the destination that you want to travel. Now enter your travel dates and the number of guests, then tap on the search button to browse available vacation homes, apartments, cabins, or resorts. After the search results appear, you can use filters to narrow things down by price, location, amenities, property type, number of bedrooms, pet-friendly options, pools, Wi-Fi and more. When you find a property you like, tap on it to view the full listing details, photos, house rules, cancellation policy, reviews, and total pricing. Before booking, carefully read the property description and guest reviews so you know exactly what to expect. If you have questions, you can message the host directly through the VRBO before confirming your reservation. Once you are ready, click the Book Now or Reserve button. Now you'll need to provide your payment information, confirm your booking details, and complete the reservation. Some properties allow instant booking while others may require host approval before the reservation is confirmed. Once accepted, you will receive a confirmation email with your booking details, check-in instructions, and host contact information. And that's it. This way you can easily book a vacation rental with VRBO. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.